The solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the Sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets, and small solar systems. There are a lot of planetary systems in one galaxy, and one of which is the solar system. The question is, what galaxy does the solar system belongs to? It's the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is a galaxy that contains our solar system, with the name describing the galaxy's appearance from the Earth, a hazy band of light seen in the night sky formed from the stars that cannot be individually distinguished by the naked. The Sun. The Sun is a star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma, with internal convective motion that generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. From the past, the solar system has 9 planets, but now only 8 of them were recognized. Many years from the past that the solar system was recognized to have 9 planets. But now, only 8 planets were included and recognized, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, with the Sun at the center of the solar system. There are 2 classifications of planets, namely the terrestrial planets and the Jovian planets. Terrestrial planets are telluric planets or rocky planets, which are composed primarily of silicate rocks or metals. Within the solar system, the terrestrial planets are the inner planets closest to the Sun. The next classification of planets are the Jovian planets. The Jovian planets orbit far from the Sun. These planets have no solid surfaces and are essentially large balls of gases, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. They are much larger than the terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets include the Earth, Mercury, Venus, and Mars. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of the gods. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. As the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon, Venus can cast shadows and rarely is visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. Venus is known to be the Earth's twin planet. The Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life, according to radiometric dating and other evidences. Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Earth's gravity interacts with the objects in space, especially the Sun and the Moon, which is Earth's only natural satellite. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. In English, Mars carries a name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. We often hear stories about aliens that are present on Mars, but they are not actually true. They are just fictions. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass 1,000 that of the Sun, but 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius about 9 times that of the Earth. It has only 1/8 the average density of the Earth, however. With its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. And Saturn is also known for its many moons. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It has the third largest planetary radius and the fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus is similar in composition to Neptune, and both have bulk chemical compositions which differ from that of the larger gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus and Neptune are known to be an ice giant. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. In the solar system, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest planet. Neptune is 17 times more mass than of the Earth and slightly more massive than its near twin Uranus, Pluto. Pluto, which was recognized as a planet many years ago, but now it is no longer considered as a planet.